doing a big motorcycle no-no today, and that is wearing flip-flops. In the last video I made where I was going through the trails and stuff like that, and I was talking about like how hot it gets, and like I had to keep my legs pretty far away from this thing because it is cooking me. Really good Mexican food down here. There's a place over here in Ingleside that I love to go to. They have really, really good quesadillas. Probably saying that weird. We're also like close enough to Louisiana where we get decently priced crawfish during season, and man, I love to do crawfish boils, crab boils, shrimp boils. We get really fresh seafood being down here on the coast. We go up and buy it directly off of the ships, go up to the T-heads. It's a cool little boat. I want to get one of those the Mountie S10, the little 10-foot scooters, whatever they're called, with a little 30 horse on the back. I've been looking at some of those. They're really cool because they're small enough to where it's not a kayak or any kind of small craft like that, but it's big enough to where you can take one person with you and you don't have to have people asking you, hey man, can you take me fishing on your boat? Everybody wants to go fishing on your boat, but they don't want to pay for gas or help with the cleanup. I'm probably going to be getting a couple fishing videos. I know next week for sure, for the opening weekend of dove season, I'm going to go and get me some hunting videos. I don't know if I can put that up on YouTube or not. I should be fine. I'm not monetized or anything, so got a nice little place, about an hour and a half north of us to go hunt, where they planted maize this year. Hopefully that'll bring them in. Usually we get a weekend of rain before dove season, and with this hurricane, I guess it sucked up all the moisture in the Gulf. The other day, I believe this guy actually owns a boat shop in Aransas, the one that built my dad's boat. Yeah, but I want to try to get some fishing videos up. I kind of want this channel to be like an all-in-one thing. Like do a bunch of fishing, do some surfing, hunting, motorcycle stuff, car stuff. I'm really into cars. I had an LS Swap S10, but I tore it all apart. It's just a piece of junk. And I was planning on buying an S197 Mustang, like a 04 to 09 Mustang, and fairly cheap, either a straight V6 body or a flapped out engine V8 maybe, something that I can get for cheap. And I've got a LS sitting in my garage that's already got ring caps for it, it's got a cam, I need to get some heads for it, and I need to get some rods and pistons, some good rods and pistons. That was a really, really clean C10. So me and my wife have been talking about buying a house here. Probably once I do my taxes next year. Once all this coronavirus stuff straightens out a little more. And I want to get something that has a nice, flat, little bit of acreage, and something I can put a shop up on. Maybe build like a little dirt bike track. I'm actually headed to my nephew's birthday party. brother-in-law's house. See if I can get him to come outside. Okay, so it's actually the next day. I'm going to go pick up my bike right now because somebody had a couple of too many beer skis. That somebody was me. Alright, see you back on the bike. Yeah, so last night was a little bit of a party night, I guess. Got a little too carried away. So an outro, how should I end these videos? Well, if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching.
Come on.